Steve from Liga College. Here and now, as a business leader, how prepared are you? Almost on a daily basis, we are now hearing from the government with increased regulations, restrictions, all due to COVID-19. In fact, we are edging ever closer to another national lockdown. So as business leaders, what are we going to do? Here at Liga College, we are raising the bar. In consultation with our training and our business partners and our existing client base, we are giving you the opportunity to attend either one of two free workshops. The first workshop is all around decision making and problem solving, dealing with problems you as managers and business leaders are having to cope with every single day at the moment. This workshop leads to a unit in the Leadership and Management ILM Institute of Leadership and Management Diploma Level 3. The second workshop is all around managing teams remotely, how you lead those, how you manage them effectively, and the processes involved. Similarly to the first workshop, this leads to a unit in the Leadership and Management Diploma ILM Institute of Leadership and Management Level 5 qualification. These qualifications are internationally recognised. The workshops are interactively delivered here from our virtual classroom and are bespoke to meet your training requirements. So, don't delay, give us a call today on 0845 177 1880 or email us at info@ligauk.com. Don't be a spectator, be an innovator. Not all training companies are the same. Liga College is truly a business partner you can rely on.